In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy one thing on Temu Vertical Bar. 2026 Vertical Bar step by step. If you just want a single item and you want the process to be quick and clear, this walkthrough is for you. Start by heading to the Temu website or opening the app. At the top, you'll see the search bar. Type in exactly what you're after. Using descriptive keywords helps Temu narrow results more accurately. For example, try phone case, wireless mouse, or black hoodie. The more specific your keywords, the better your matches will be, especially if you include details like color or size in your search. When you spot an item that looks promising, open the product page. Take a moment to browse through the photos to check build quality and color accuracy, read the reviews, and focus on recent ones for the most up-to-date feedback. Confirm your size and color choices if variants are available. Look at the shipping estimate so you know when to expect delivery, and scan the product details for materials, compatibility, or care instructions. A minute here helps avoid returns or surprises later. Once you're confident, add the item to your cart. Make sure you've selected the right size, color, or model before tapping Add to Cart, then open your cart using the cart icon. Temu does allow single item purchases, so there's no need to add extras unless you want to. Just be aware that certain promotions or free shipping offers might encourage a minimum spend, which is optional if you only need one thing. Inside your cart, review the item carefully. Confirm quantity, variant, and price. When everything looks correct, tap Checkout. You'll be prompted to enter your shipping address and contact details. Type them carefully and double-check spelling, apartment numbers, and postal codes to avoid delivery issues. Accurate contact info ensures you receive notifications about your order. Next, choose your payment method. Temu typically accepts debit or credit cards, PayPal, and in some regions, GC Cash linked cards. Depending on your device, Apple Pay or Google Pay may also be available. Pick the option you prefer, make sure your billing address matches your payment method if required, and confirm the total. When you're ready, tap Place Order to finalize the purchase. After payment, you'll receive an order confirmation. To follow your package, go to your orders or My Orders to view tracking updates. Temu provides shipment tracking right in the app or on the website, so you can see each step from processing to delivery. Keep an eye on the estimated delivery window and check back if you need a status update. That's it. One item purchased smoothly from start to finish.